Oh my God, is it another rat?
No! It's food.
Close it and open it again. I don't believe it's real.
Who did this?
Not me. I've got $4 in my wallet and it's gotta last me till next week.
Well, it wasn't me either. And by the way, you have $2 in your wallet.
Look, there's strawberry jam with seeds. So you know it came from real strawberries.
Morning.
Adam, there's food in the house.
I know, I bought it. I'm tired of coming home at 2 a.m. after work and finding a box of baking soda and a fuzzy lemon.
Okay, this jam is mine. I called it.
You know, I went crazy and bought some bread to put that on.
Bread? I want bread. I call that too.
Adam, how much did you spend?
Don't worry about it. We're doing really well at the bar and we deserve nice things.
Well, nice things I get, but what's with the fancy-ass beans?
They're not the grocery store brand?
Nope, check out the lid.
I popped up.
Okay, Bill Gates, now you're just showboating.